Welcome to our macaron making journey. These delicate French treats have a crisp shell and a soft, flavorful filling. It all starts with finely sifted almond flour, powdered sugar, aged egg whites, and granulated sugar. We whip the egg whites into a glossy meringue, sometimes adding hot sugar syrup for stability. Next, we gently fold in the dry ingredients, creating a smooth batter. Using a piping bag, we shape uniform circles on a baking sheet and tap the tray to remove air bubbles. After resting for 30 minutes to form a crust, the shells bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. While they cool, we prepare the filling, ganache, buttercream, or jam, then pipe it onto the shells. The macarons rest in the fridge for 24 hours to enhance their flavor and texture. Finally, the crisp shell meets the creamy center for the perfect bite. Enjoy making and savoring your homemade macarons.